Hello, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US and very excited to be sharing a sneak peek of our May 2024 Cultivated Creativity DIY Paper Crafting Kit. So this is a kit that we curate each and every month. We choose a featured stamp set. Many times it's a bundle, and we get consumable products. You'll have papers and ribbons and embellishments and who knows what else is in that kit, right? So we like to put some surprises in each and every month. But we curate this and cut it up, prep it for you, package it up, and ship it right to you. So you get to all the fun part of crafting, right? You don't have to do any of the design work. We've done that for you. So we do include a full color PDF tutorial. And I do a video overview as well to kind of give you a little bit of insider information, maybe some tips and tricks that will help you be successful in your crafting journey. Yes. So what do we have in store for May? We are featuring the Simply Zinnia stamp and die bundle that is in our online exclusive. So you won't see this in any of our catalogs. I love this one. It's super fun, bright colors, perfect for our spring, summer time of year, right? So if you don't have this bundle, I do offer an add-on option, but you can use whatever you have at home. You can use anything in your crafty stash. And surely everyone has some flowers, right? But you're going to want this one. It's so pretty, right? So many good things. Nice. So would you like to see a sneak peek of the projects that we're making? They're gorgeous. So one of the things I will tell you about our projects is that we do the insides and not everyone does. So we try to make the insides beautiful, just like the outsides. So I'm not going to show you the insides because that's exclusive to my subscribers, but here we go. So this is our first project here. Nice. The next one, and this one's a bit of a fun fold. Simple fun fold. And then we do a not a card. What's inside this box? Only subscribers will know. We do put goodies inside the box. Well, goodies for you to put inside your box once you make it. And another fun fold card. I'm not going to show you the inside though. And then this one's one of my favorite. This one has a little bit more die cutting and stuff going on with it, but it is one of my favorites. I love a good white card with a pop of color, don't you? Nice. So aren't those exciting? I can't wait for you to join us. So if you're already a Cultivated Creativity subscriber, that was a little sneak peek of what you have coming your way, all the fun that's coming your way. And if you're not yet a subscriber, give us a try, right? It's risk-free. You can cancel at any time. So there's no obligation beyond your first month. If you don't find that it's for you, cancel, right? But the beauty is it's a subscription, so you don't have to remember to sign up for each month, right? Makes it super nice, right? How about getting a little gift in the mail every single month? It's like Christmas every single month, right? I love it. If you've got any questions, be sure to leave me a comment below the video. There will also be a link so that you can find out more information. All right. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.